Hello, I'm Michael with the Plowman team, and welcome to our newest home for sale at 110 Rotherglen Road North in Ajax. It is a legal 2-unit basement. You are not going to want to miss this one. Come on in and check it out. All right, and as we step into the home, one of the first rooms you'll notice is the family room, which is super cozy with the fireplace and a big bright window, perfect for relaxing after a long day. And next you'll notice the bright lights coming into this open, beautiful living space, which transitions seamlessly into the dining room overlooking the backyard. And from the dining room connects directly to this eat-in kitchen, as well as this large kitchen area which has tons of counter space, stainless steel appliances, and a gas stove. And for your convenience, we also have main floor laundry. And upstairs you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms. Why don't we start in the primary? All right, in this lovely primary, you're gonna find enough space for a chair. You have a beautiful accent wall and sliding doors for your closet and for your ensuite. As you walk in from your own separate entry, coming into the backyard, we enter the legal 2-unit basement. Now, this features 2 bedrooms, full kitchen, your own laundry, everything you need for your own apartment. You are going to love this opportunity, whether you're an investor looking to rent out up and down, or if you're looking to subsidize your mortgage. Thank you for touring this amazing home for sale located in Ajax. Again, I'm Michael with the Plowman team. Call the number above for your exclusive tour and subscribe down below to stay up to date on all of our latest homes for sale. See you next time.